In Matrix, we have a tab called Reports. Here, you can view real-time reports and analytics on your business performance. We cover sales, projects, resources, and key areas to monitor. Under Sales, you can see financial performance, sales activities and performance, and deal performance trends. If you go into Projects, you can actually see your project performance, whether they're on track, their average margin, projects over budget, and the estimated overrun costs. Under Resources, you can see your team's utilization and efficiency. You can also see the capacity. Here you can get a really good look at what you actually need to keep an eye on. So there might be some timesheet backlogs. You can check here and see who you actually need to keep an eye on regarding the timesheet backlog. Then you can see if there's some staff that's underutilized, if there are any risks you need to handle, or some unassigned leads. Here you have a very good way of managing your business.